Nagaland Police laga schools kan karne ekta nutun khobor de aji Nagaland Police laga first inter-school sports tageshe aro ta de overall sports de first Nagaland Police Central School chumbuke de majidishe. So milai gina 15 schools into sports even de baklushe. IB details sab.
Thank you very much to all the students for coming here. Thank you to the principals of the unit schools and the regimental schools as we call it, and the teachers who are accompanying the students, and probably most importantly the parents of these students who are here for permitting their children to travel away from their homes. A lot of them would be the first time for them that they have come away from their families. I'm sure it has been a very good experience for you to meet and interact with each other. I don't know, but I think some of you may have visited Dimapur for the first time also. So these are all good learning experience. I eagerly watched the sports events, the 3-4 events that we did. There is a lot of competition. Some people are very good, some are not good. But it is not always about winning, it is about participating. And when you participate in events like this, you learn that there is always someone who is better than us, that you have to catch up with someone who is better than you. Even in the Nagaland Police and the Police Schools fraternity, about 3 years back when I assumed charge at DGP, my wife, she's a teacher, she's an academician. So we thought that we should do something to improve the state of our schools. So I was just sharing with Abu that in 2023, we had meetings with the principals and the staff and senior officers at the PHQ. Then we started collecting data about various schools, how the schools are run, how much money do we have, how qualified the teachers are there, how many students are there, all those things. And we found that money is a big problem. And the major constraint for us for money was that all the schools were being run individually at their own levels. So there was no unified structure. Then we got a society registered with the state government. Now once we got the society registered, then we can go to the bigger companies and the donors and even the government for funding of the schools. So we started receiving some donations from various people. If you see, I'm not promoting anyone, but someone who has done good needs to be acknowledged. So if you see these banners and this sports event has been sort of sponsored by this company. They gave us 10 lakh rupees, out of which we were able to organize this event. We were also able to purchase some comics books. Abu, if you remember, as kids we used to read those books, Amar Chitra Katha and all. So we purchased almost like books worth 4 lakh rupees from that money. And we started getting money from other sources. The Maruti Udyog gave us 50 computers and laptops. So another 50 is on its way. Hopefully in the next 15-20 days we'll get another 15-20. But to channelize all these resources, we needed to put a system. Hopefully now the system is in place. It will only improve. I'm not saying anything bad against anyone, including my friends, colleagues, teachers or anyone, or the principals. But in the past, these schools were also like, ठीक है, हमें लगा चिन्ना मनो ऐसे था कि टीचर रखे लोगे, हमें लगा इन्हें ऐसे ही तो रखे लोगे, नहीं था विषय. It was like ad hocism. So this time, for the first time in so many years, with my wife and a couple of officers in the PHQ leading the show, what we decided was that we will advertise the posts of the teachers for various subjects. Okay? And you will be surprised that although it is not very highly paid job, so in some cases we got candidates applying for the job of teachers who are masters in education and BA, which is a very big improvement over what was happening in our schools earlier. So those teachers have come in. Those teachers will help you help the children to have better education because of their qualifications. I don't want to make anyone afraid. There is no reason to think that you will lose your job. But yes, about last week, a team from PHU and my wife and a couple of officers of PHU and one or two academic experts, they held some sort of interview of the principals also, so that we know what is the quality of the principal. Because the principal's job, we think, is not just managing one school, but also knowing what are the other schemes and projects and avenues available outside the government support system and in the government support system, which we can use so that the schools can improve.
I want the children to know, and I want the principals who are here to take this message back to the children, that for that school to work, for every day the classroom to happen, for every student to appear at exam at the end of the year, there are thousands of people contributing. Police families, officers working behind the scenes, principals and teachers doing work which is not theirs at times, sweeping the floor, cleaning the rooms, cooking food. Children must know that for you to get this education, there are seniors, officers working for you to ensure that you get education. So you have to work harder. And the best reward you can give them is success, excellence, good results, and make it big someday in life. They will be the happiest. Naga public must also acknowledge Nagaland police. I think at times we misplace them and not give them enough credit. All of us must understand that these regimental schools, the children in these schools are the children mostly of police families. Those who face a lot of hardships, those who stand in the rain, face the sun, walk in the cold. Naga society must understand this, give them more respect, and introspect within ourselves how we can contribute more. I also commit today, having learned the story through the DGP and through your convener, what you are doing. I will also make my best efforts to see what little I can help, be it in CSR initiatives, be it in sporting activities, academics, and I will also have discussion with DGP and your senior officers, how we can all work together collectively to improve your status, to improve your schools, and to create more opportunities.